Hey, welcome. Today we're going to take a look at how my stream is automated and how easy it is for me to schedule a new episode of Klustered. Now you'll see there is no stream scheduled. Well, there's one for today and then one next week, but there's no Klustered on Thursday. Something I normally schedule every Monday. Oops, I'm a little bit late today, but it has worked out in our favor. Now, everything is driven through a headless CMS. This is the contentful.com. I'm on the free plan, which gives you 25,000 entries. You'll see I'm only using 300. But we're going to search for Klustered. And here we will see some of the episodes that we've had recently. The most recent episode was Klustered 16. But because this week's episode is the Teams edition, I am going to clone this. Now, Klustered is pretty much the same every week. The guests change, but the description and other things are all the same. So really, I'm just going to come in here and update the teams. And spoiler alert, this Thursday's Klustered is featuring teams from DigitalOcean and from Skyscanner. From here, I can tell it which show, so I can have different branding, descriptions, and automation depending on the shows that I'm working on. Right now, it primarily is just Rawkode Live. We have a series, which allows us to have some pretty nice description, or at least linkage within our videos. So let me just make sure that doesn't play. But if we jump down here and say show more, you'll see that the series actually lists every other episode of Klustered on the link. So by adding our episode to this, we will see all previous episodes of Klustered's description be updated to include the new video. And let me just show you what this looks like. So we'll remove this just now and we'll add that back in after we've already published it. So you can see that cascading update across our videos. This week's episode is, well, this week. Oh, why can't I scroll? I'm going to move it off monitor. That's an interesting bug. Okay, we've updated it to July 29th. I believe the time is 5:30 as always. It is awesome. Nothing to change there. And now we're going to change our teams. So we can hit move. This is what I get for trying to do it on my little monitor so I can look straight forward the whole time. Now we will add DigitalOcean. Thank you. And Skyscanner. And insert. And those are our two guests, two teams for this episode. We can scroll down here and update this. Now, yeah, this is slightly repetition. I could definitely automate this too, but for now, it's all right. Thank you to Teleport for continuing to sponsor Klustered. We scroll down. Now, we don't want to use this image, so we'll remove it. We don't want to overwrite an existing YouTube video, so we'll remove it. And we have a JSON editor here that just puts on the first time segment for the video. We have no links. And now we hit publish. Now what's happening behind the scenes is that Contentful is configured with a webhook configuration. And you'll see that whenever I update a series, an episode, or a guest, it triggers a function on pipedream.net. Pipedream is then reaching out to YouTube, but is checking to see if that YouTube ID exists. If it doesn't, it goes and creates a video. It then checks to see if an image exists. If it doesn't, it generates an image. It then, once it has all of those missing components, updates the description and publishes the entire thing. Now, we're going to do the series modification shortly after, but first, let's go back to rawkode.live and see if our new episode is listed. And there it is. Klustered teams, DigitalOcean and Skyscanner. Now this image is generated for us. It pulls in their images from GitHub profile photos. So this is the DigitalOcean logo from GitHub and this is the Skyscanner logo from GitHub. Not the best example in this automation because they're transparent, but still cool that it's all done. This is all generated for us from the automation on Pipedream. So, you know, I didn't set that this is Rawkode Live and it's hosted by me and this is my website, etc. I didn't set that we wanted a timeline or the guest information and team information. This is all part of that automation that comes through for us. You'll see there's no list here of clustered episodes. So we're going to fix that now. We'll jump into here and we'll say this is clustered. And we'll hit publish. What should happen now is that we should be able to pop over to the YouTube page, refresh the description, see the series information on our new DigitalOcean and Skyscanner video. Not only that, I should be able to click on any clustered video and see our new episode. In fact, it's already reloaded page for me. That's nice. Let's just do it anyway. And we have our series information. And we have, oh, the order's a little bit funny, but there we go. We have DigitalOcean and Skyscanner here. Now I'm just going to click on the very first episode of Klustered and pop down, and we should see our new episode. So that's my stream automation. Stay tuned, because I'll be live streaming, rebuilding all of this automation using nothing but open source cloud native technologies, using Git as the source of truth for all episodes, series, and guests. Remember to subscribe, remember to like this video, remember to jump onto the Discord at rawkode.chat. See you soon.